Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I have decided to cook healthier for my family, and that includes having more fish at home. So we are going to make baked tilapia. It's a favorite in our house. Also, tilapia is so affordable. This one dish your family will request over and over. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start off by preheating our oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Let's jump right into the ingredients. You will need tilapia fillets, garlic powder, ground mustard, paprika, black pepper, and salt. First things first, combine garlic powder, paprika, ground mustard, salt, and black pepper. So this is gonna be our seasoning. Mix well and set it aside. Lightly coat the baking dish with a non-stick cooking spray. Next, we're gonna season our fillet with the seasoned mix we just made. Guys, tilapia is by far my favorite fish. It is light and flaky and doesn't have that fishy taste that others might have. Plus, I love how fast I can cook fish. I promise you guys, if you follow these easy directions, you will have perfect tilapia every time. The fish fillets are well seasoned. Now we're gonna place them on a baking dish. Lightly coat the fillets with a cooking spray. Then bake them for 20 minutes. Our fish fillets are out of the oven. They are tender and flaky and full of flavor. The trick to perfect tilapia is to not overcook it. If you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up. I hope you will try this recipe. And if you do, please leave a comment down below in the comment section and let us know how it turned out for you. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey.